Welcome back to my video. In today's video I will show you how to fix not responding program in Windows. So let's get started. You can see the program not responding. Now if you close the program it will not work. Now what you have to do is click on the right button and go to the Task Manager. From the process option you can select the apps and click in task. It will close immediately. If your mouse is also not working, what you have to do is click Ctrl Alt and click the delete option. Then you will see the Task Manager. Click on it and you can select the application that not working and click in task. It will close immediately. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you into the next video.